thank you for tuning into my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the importance of Java, why Java is good, the brief history about the Java, and how can we get starting with the Java as well. According to Type Index, which is an extremely reliable source, it says Java is the most important language going around this world, followed closely by its competitors C and Python. If sources are to be relied, there are 8 million developers of Java. If you look at the world, there are 23 million developers in the world, which makes Java capturing 35% of the industry of development, which is a huge amount. Java is used everywhere. If you have ever used Android mobile, most of the applications and games that you are running on Android device are made by Java. Desktop applications are also made in Java as well, and the SIM cards, the mini programming of SIM cards is also done by Java mostly, and Java is also used for cloud computing as well. And yes, Java developers do earn a lot. It is extremely well paid job. Java first appeared on the scene in 1996 by the company called Sun Microsystems with the promise of VORA, write once, run anywhere. There was a need of a language that can run on cross-platform devices, means a language that can run on Windows and at the same time can run on Mac or Linux as well, and that can be done with the help of JVM of Java, which is explained in the future videos. Then in 1997 JDK 1.1 came, and with a better object oriented structure that was much needed. Java is a language that is based around the objects rather than functions, unlike its competitor programming languages, so it needed that, and that happened in 1997. In 2006, Sun Microsystems announced that Java can be used as a free open source software. The major change came in 2010 when Oracle bought Sun Microsystems along with its assets and Java as well. In 2011, SE7 of Java came with the many syntax changes like a try-catch functionality changed. In 2014, SE Edition 8 came with the Lambda expressions, and at the time of this recording, SE14 is the latest version of Java. The features that make Java extremely usable programming language is that its portability. Make once, run everywhere is a concept that Java uses. The main functionality behind this process is that the Java language is computed in byte codes rather than the machine language, so that byte code is then translated by JVM to the native operating systems. So no matter if you're making a program on a Windows system, that can easily and exactly run the same way in Mac or Linux as well. So it is portable. It is easy to debug. The programming basically done in chunks. So this makes maintaining your code easy and debugging it as well. Java is object-oriented programming. This makes Java a secure language. It's extremely easy once you get around how to make objects and main pillars of object-oriented programming and how to use methods of Java. It does not deviate from its original path, so it is extremely easy compared to some other languages in the market. Initially it was not designed to be a high performance, it was designed for the convenience of portability. Then Java gained pace with the users, and now Java is much faster than most of the language, if not the highest. So how to get starting with Java? You just need to have a JDK installed, which you can do easily from Oracle's website, and a JRE that is used for running the code, which fortunately comes along with JDK. And you also need to have IDE as well. There are lots of IDEs in the market like IntelliJ IDE, NetBeans, BlueJ. They provide the programming foundations like GUI, debugging tools. So it depends on the convenience and likability. In short, you need a JDK plus IDE to start your programming on Java.